OBS 32.1 Updates in the audio mixer. Hello, I am Helen Santos, a support specialist at JMV Technology. Version 32.1 of OBS Studio is now available. In addition to various improvements and bug fixes, the main new feature is in the audio mixer, which has undergone significant changes. In this video, I will show you everything that has changed in practice. Remember, if you are still a beginner and don't know how to use OBS, we have a complete and free course. Access the QR code. The first change we notice is that now the status of each input appears here at the top. When you click on this menu, you can pin the input, making it always stay in the first position regardless of the selected scene. There is also the option to hide the source. And if you have hidden sources here in the options, you can uncheck this option and you will no longer see those hidden sources. Taking advantage of being in this options menu, you can also uncheck this option to hide inactive sources. This way, only active sources in each scene are visible, making the mixer cleaner and more organized. This option is to keep the hidden sources always on the right, and this one to keep the inactive sources on the right. Going back to the input menu, you can lock the volume. This way, there is no risk of someone else changing it or you altering it by accident. Another convenience is the option to copy and paste filters. If you already have a filter configured on one source and want to apply it to another, just copy and paste without needing to redo the entire configuration. Another interesting option is that you can click this button to listen and monitor the audio in real time. If you want to change where this audio will be played, for example, directing it to headphones, just go to Settings, Audio, and set the desired monitoring device. Now we also have this button that allows you to switch the mixer orientation between vertical and horizontal, making it easier to organize the interface. Next to it is the Advanced Settings button, which now gathers all inputs in one place, making control much more practical. And these are the new features of the audio mixer. Now just test it on your OBS and enjoy the improvements. And if you are looking for a platform to stream live, I invite you to check out the plans from JMV Technology, where you can stream to your website and multiple social networks simultaneously from a single source, in addition to several other exclusive features. For more information, access the QR code. If you liked the video, like, share, and follow us on our social media for more content like this.